Every person is born with a unique combination of energies. Among them, 4 main elements define our essence: fire, earth, air, and water. They are not just poetic symbols. They are the language through which the universe speaks to us. Within them lies our rhythm, our emotional tone, and the way we connect to life itself. To truly understand yourself, you must first recognize your element, because an element is not a personality trait. It's the frequency of your soul. When you live in harmony with it, life flows effortlessly, as if your breath moves in sync with the rhythm of the cosmos. But when you resist it, tension, fatigue, and inner disconnection arise. Fire is the pulse of life, passion, courage, and motion. It's the spark that moves everything forward. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius carry this inner flame, a force that makes them bold, inspired, and sometimes restless. When fire is balanced, it gives clarity, joy, and the power to create. When it burns too bright, it becomes impatience, control, or emotional exhaustion. The greatest lesson of fire is not to burn out in your own flame. Fire that never rests eventually consumes itself, but a steady flame brings light, not destruction. It warms, it inspires, and it helps others find their way. Fire reminds us that true action comes not from struggle, but from love, from the will to share one's light with the world. You don't always need to run forward. Sometimes it's enough simply to shine. Earth. Earth is stability, patience, and manifestation. It teaches us endurance, structure, and the beauty of slow creation. Its rhythm is steady, like the heartbeat of the mountains. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn embody this grounded wisdom. They build, nurture, and turn ideas into reality. Through their persistence, chaos becomes form, and dreams take shape in the material world. Yet, Earth can also become heavy when we cling too tightly to control or fear change. True stability is born not from control, but from trust. Even the soil must rest to remain fertile. The Earth's sacred lesson is to let go, to allow growth without forcing it. It reminds us that spirituality isn't always above the clouds. It's in our hands, in our work, in everyday care. When love guides our actions, the ordinary becomes divine. Air is thought, communication, and freedom. It moves through words, ideas, and inspiration. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius live in the realm of meaning, seeing connections where others see chaos. Their gift is clarity, the ability to explain, inspire, and connect. But their challenge is to find peace amid mental storms. Too many thoughts can scatter their focus, leaving them floating without direction. The wisdom of air lies in stillness. Because silence doesn't slow the mind, it gives it purpose. When air is calm, it becomes a channel for insight, where ideas flow with grace and understanding. Sometimes, the purest thought is born not from talking, but from breathing. Water is emotion, intuition, and memory. It is the element of depth and empathy, the rhythm of the unseen world. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces feel life more deeply than they can explain. They sense the truth behind words, and their presence alone can soothe others. Their gift is compassion. Their challenge? To not lose themselves in the emotions of others. Water absorbs everything it touches, so it must learn to cleanse. Through solitude, music, nature, or creativity. When water is balanced, it brings healing, imagination, and peace. When it's restless, it turns into sadness, fear, or emotional confusion. Water teaches us that everything changes. It flows, transforms, and never clings to the past. Even when the surface is still, its current continues to move beneath, quietly, endlessly, and with purpose. Each element is a mirror of the soul. We all carry a blend of them within us, yet one always sings louder, the one that guides our energy. You can feel it in what inspires you, what irritates you, what calms you. The goal is not to be fire or water, but to find harmony within. When your inner elements are in balance, you become a conductor of light, and the universe mirrors this equilibrium back to you through events, people, and the quiet peace that needs no reason. Then, everything falls into place, because you are not just a part of this world. You are its continuation, its breath, its harmony.